Good morning. What we're going to test here is our new COM02 tester. It's a Lin BSS RVC tester. And what I have here is a Toyota RAD4 2015 to 2017 alternator. I have a power box hooked up to it to show you that you can test the Lin signal on this COM box. So what I'm doing right now is powering the box up. And you see here that I'm putting 12 volts into the COM02 from my power boost box. I'm powering up the alternator to read the Lin signal. And you see that it is a Lin 1.3, and it also has the class and binary code of 9. So we can ID the regulator in the alternator just sitting by itself. Check out our other videos and also like us on Facebook. Thank you.